I have two, one son, elder one. He is at present is 8th standard, and younger one, Shubham, and younger one is Sharmila. At present she is in third standard. I left the charity part somewhere 6 to 7 years before.
Again back.
But spiritual and a charity work, but the charity work not in Bombay, but outside Bombay area. You can say a remote area at Kolhapur and other things. As a spiritual, I can tell you that I joined with my Sadguru, Dr. Aniruddha Joshi. The people used to call him Aniruddha Bapu. He is having so many organizations in that. I am a director from that one group called Cleanliness and Hygiene Group. We used to do some other, lots of other charity type of work, but not a charity of work with the money or anything. To give and take from the peoples.
No, but the spiritual work involves dentistry, or
it is not related with dentistry. It is with other works only. Other, you can call it as a social work also. Regarding the charity work at dentistry, I used to practice consulting in BMC hospitals, then other Jain hospitals and Apna Bazaar hospitals. But that I had just left it because my Sadguru told me that no need to.
Yeah, come on. Enough. Because my husband is going to see that. Okay. Was R-E-M-A Gopal. Still is R-E-M-A. So please don't call me him. I got married. I was married in '92. That's May 21st to my husband.
You get married to husband only, right?
We didn't know that. That's why one point I want to say here is that I was married on 21st May 1992, and the reason I got married behind, I met my husband through Hari and Ruxana. They are responsible for it, and my better half, because he's Hari's friend, he might like it that way. My better half, he's a captain in the Merchant Navy, and sailing for all these years. We have two kids. My son Akshay is going to be 16. He is in college, first year, 11th.
And he's taller than me.
And then we have all of them in school.
Can't record anymore. Okay, somebody else.
You said all the nice things about your husband. You can say everything bad. My son is 5'7", and my daughter is in 4th standard. She's 10 years old. My son's name is Akshay and she's Akanksha. And I'm practicing in, we shifted to Pune in 1998. I started my practice that year on August 19, 1998. And my children they were going to Hutchings High School, and now my son is in Choksi. And as far as charity is concerned, I think Hari and Manoj strongly believe I do more charity than good work.
Charity.
I was standing behind Nisha doing charity. Nisha was surrounded, and he's coming day after tomorrow. So I'm coming back to Bombay for that, and basically I had a nice time with him because he's a very good husband.
Oh, we didn't know that.
And the thing is, when he's here, he's out for 4 months. He comes here for 4 months. He takes care of my children. He drops me to clinic, comes to pick me up, does everything. One point about my mother-in-law. When I got married, I was to get married. Actually, after I met my husband, I was very worried because I didn't.
Manoj.
How to make a cup of tea. So I met Mummy, and before I could say hi, hello, anything, I said, I don't take a cup of tea also. And Mummy said, don't worry, get married and come, and then you can learn. And if you don't learn, my son knows everything.
So is that why you decided to marry?
Why not? He knows how to bake cake also.
अरे नहीं सब बता सब सीख लेना.
He's got a little lazy, so they want to put the heart. And he doesn't want to sit up.
Now she's happily married. She did not put the lower one.
मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है.
Go to Sony. Yes, yes.
How did you remember?
No, I read it right now. That's why I don't claim to remember anything.
Oh, we did not know that.
years I was busy trying to complete my 1-year internship. Sometimes from NIOL, sometimes from KEM.
1 year's internship.
Yeah, because I had to do it in months wise, you know, 6 mahina idhar, 6 mahina udhar, because I wanted to appear for the All India exam. So that was the prerequisite. So then I went and I did my PG in Perio from GDC Bombay. After that I practiced for around 10 years or so. 7 years in Mulund, then I shifted to Thane. Then I practiced for 3 or 4 years more in Thane, and then I had to stop practice abruptly because of my second baby. When I got my second baby, there were certain complications and all, because of which I was advised complete bed rest, and that led to a lot of other problems and all, and so I had to give up practice totally. So now I'm married to a physician. I have my own nursing home in Thane. It's a fully equipped nursing home with ICU, 6 beds, and operation theatre. We've got admission of around 25 beds. So it's like a full-time job. And I go to the hospital. Lots of charity is done, lots. And a lot of it is thrust upon you. You know, you have to do that charity. Yes, yes. No, most of the charities, you know, something that you don't want to do, but you have to do, because the patients who come over, they are very, very poor. You just cannot charge them. You know,
Why didn't
It's
you do
like,
your MBBS instead of your MDS?
You know me?
I think I should have done hospital administration instead of MBBS.
do it. You know,
No, I do. In fact, I did law. I completed my law. I got my law degree from Thana College of Law.
Really?
Yeah, I got my law degree. Both of us, my husband, Sushil and
Manisha who did Perio.
No, actually we had certain medical legal issues,
Okay.
because of which we had to face some problems. So that because of that, both of us went and joined the law college, and we became lawyers ourselves.
Oh, lovely.
Thank you, thank you. Law.
So now we have a problem, we can consult.
Yes, yes, most
So
welcome.
you can consult only medical problems or others.
No.
Now.
Yeah, 2 daughters. Elder one is in 10th now, ICSE. Her name is Akanksha, and younger one is in 5th standard, Disha. So 2 babies, lovely. They are like my life now. So I have nothing to do with dentistry right now. I've given up my clinic also. So my only link with dentistry is through all of you. I am not practicing, and no regrets, because I am very busy, not doing dentistry, but doing a lot of other things. So that's about it.
Okay, new.
Yeah, एकदम
I'm practicing full time. I've got a young daughter. She's only 4 years. My wife is also a doctor. She's an Ayurvedic practitioner. I stay at Ghatkopar. I'm practicing in New Bombay.
Name of
I
your
have
wife?
seen New Bombay right from the wife's name is Dr. Beena. My daughter's name is Rushti Parekh. What? Rushti.
Rushti.
My daughter?
Only one daughter.
वृष्टि
It's very cold.
And Liana,
It didn't get pressed. I know. Press it up.
What else?
No, you have to hold it.